To set adoption puts as under 30 years old in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll to the settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then select adoption. Choose a version that matches your age, or try a hearing test to get fully personalized sound. Tap under 30 years old. Tap test my hearing to test. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.